Welcome to this video on how to purchase Zoho CRM licenses, brought to you by WiselyWise, an authorized Zoho partner. Here is the agenda for this video. We will start with an introduction to WiselyWise and Zoho CRM, followed by the steps to purchase licenses and invite users for payment. Finally, we will have a conclusion and contact information. WiselyWise is a global digital transformation company specializing in AI, EdTech, and cloud solutions. We are also an authorized Zoho CRM partner, providing expert implementation, customization, and support for Zoho Suite. To begin, search for Zoho CRM and click on the sign-in link to access your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the bottom left of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select the Upgrade button next to the edition you wish to purchase, for example, the Professional Edition. You will be directed to the Zoho Store, where you can see the different subscription plans. Click Upgrade under the plan that suits your needs, such as the Professional plan. Select your pay period, monthly or yearly, and enter the number of users you wish to purchase licenses for. After entering the user count, click Next to proceed to the review and payment stage. Review the items in your order, including the plan and the total amount. Click Proceed to continue. Enter your billing address details, including the street address, city, and zip code. Next, input your payment method details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Finally, click the Make Payment button to complete the purchase of your Zoho CRM licenses. Now, let's look at how to invite a finance or other user to make the payment on your behalf. From your Zoho CRM home screen, click the Setup Gear icon located near the bottom left corner. Under the General section, click on Users. On the Users page, click the plus New User button. Fill in the required information for the new user, ensuring you select the appropriate profile or role for them, and click Save. The invited user can now log into the Zoho Store and complete the payment process. Thank you for watching this video. All rights are reserved, and please refer to the legal notices for more information.